Wait, do I look like her? I got all dressed up for this tutorial. Do I look like her? Do I look like her? She's way tanner than me. What's up? Today we are making a blog, and that's what's up. Enough messing around. Let's do it. So when we go to our blog page, on your Squarespace template, you will see that I already made some blogs there. They're just for examples to give you a feel for how it will look when your blog posts are there. So let's create a new blog. We'll go to the plus button right here. Voila, you can create a title. We can add in some body text. So as you can see, like on the other pages on Squarespace, you can edit the text, have fun with it, bold different areas. You want to write and organize your blog post in a way that's easy to read for people. It's easy to digest. If they pop onto your blog and it's a bunch of text, they're going to feel very overwhelmed and hop back off. So use bold, use different titles. You can change the sizing of it, so maybe there's different sections that you're diving into, and you can even add images as well, which you know I'm all about that visual effect. The way you're going to add images and different elements into your blog is going to be different than the other landing pages. Instead of having kind of the drag and drop button over here, you're going to add in from these different plus areas. And then let's add in an image just to quickly show you how we can do this here. Boom, boom. I'm going to show you some tricks for when you are doing the blog. As you can see, this image is massive, and maybe you don't want as big of an image there. So what you can do is add spacers on each side of this, and that will help make your image smaller if you wanted it smaller. So again, that's in your different elements right here, spacer, and you can drag and move that around. So I'm going to move that on the side. Boom, add another one, and add it to this side. And then you can play with the spacers if you wanted to make it larger or smaller. But go in, play around with the different elements. You can even add buttons in there, which is so cool. Who doesn't want a button on their blog? Maybe your blog post is a natural lead for an offer. Maybe your blog post is directly from your podcast and you want to link it back to that. Or a YouTube video that you have, or an Instagram post. Okay, we wrote our mini blog. Now you can publish it or even schedule it. I'm not saving mine because this is from one of my website templates. And we don't want this random blog post in there. Now, how do we get these cover photos on there? Next to your blog post, you'll see these 3 dots, and you can go to settings, and right here will be an add image button. You can also scroll down and edit the URL for your blog post, and you can have different authors for your blog post. So when I click this drop down, right now there's only my name on there, but I'm going to show you how to add yours. We're going to close this out and go back over to our settings. So down here on our settings button, and then permissions, add basic author. Then you'll be able to add your name, an image for it. Maybe your business is run by multiple people and you'll have different authors on the blog post. You can add all those authors right here. And then once you've added your name in there, you can go back to that blog post where we were adding in the images, and your name will show up in that drop down box. Now go get yourself your favorite drink, get creative, and write your first blog post. Launch with your first blog post.